Good day, viewers. On this today lecture, I'm going to show you on how to sign up, register on Nairaland.com. Nairaland.com, how to register on the forum easily and confirm and start posting immediately. Let's divert to the training, and remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more new updates. The first thing to do is go to Nairaland.com or go to Google to search for the website Nairaland. Now, what to do now? Next thing to do is click on Nairaland forum. Here is the site. Now you can see on this link, click on register on Nairaland. On this area now, submit your email to join Nairaland. You must submit email address before you can join Nairaland. We need to verify your email address. Please enter it below. So what you have to do is write your email address here, your email address to continue. Put your email address here, copy and paste, click on submit. You can see, please check your email. We have just sent you an email. Please check your inbox to find the email and complete your registration. Please check your spam folder if you cannot find it in your inbox. Welcome to Nairaland. Now go to your inbox. You can see Nairaland forum. Click on Nairaland forum, Nairaland email confirmation. Click on here. You can see there is a mail from Nairaland. What you have to do is confirm. Click on this link to confirm your registration, to continue to register on Nairaland. Click on here. You can see. The next thing to do is put any username. Put any username you want to call yourself. Now I'll be putting I'll call myself this username and I'll give myself a password. Then click on join Nairaland. You can see I've already joined. Then click on this to sign up your username. Your password, and click on login. Login in. Wow, we now created Nairaland forum account easily and confirmed. Let's go to our, you can see, login notification. Anytime we log into our account, a mail come to our inbox to notify us that we have signed in or someone else has signed in. So that is the easiest way to create Nairaland account. So you can now check which category you want to check or you want to post on. You can click on investment or business. Here is investment. You can click on investment to create a new topic. Hope to learn from this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel at POCOTO Online Tutor. Thank you and God bless.